In this section, we're going to talk about linear equations where we're going to determine if they can be a function or non-function. So to describe between the difference between function and non-function, we're starting off with two xy tables where you have a list of 4 coordinate points with the x values and the y values. So to take a closer look, here we have our coordinate point -4, 7, second one 2, -5, third 1, 9, and -6 and -3. In our second table, we have -8, 11, 0, 4, and then -1, -7, and lastly -8, -2. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to label this table and the other table where they are a function and a non-function. The first one, this will be a function. The second one will be a non-function. Now, at the beginning, you can't really tell the difference between which one is a function and the non-function. So what we're going to do is take a closer look. In the second table, what you mainly focus is on the x values and see if there's any repeating x values. In this case, it does. So you have 2 x value at -8. In the event you have a table where there are repeating x values and it has different y values, then this will be considered a non-function. If you take a look at the first table, you see how all the x values are different. If they are different, then that's okay. So that means it's just a function. So to review, basically the definition, function consists of unique, meaning non-repeating, so when I say unique, I'm meaning non-repeating x values paired with y values. So this is the definition you would follow when you're given a xy table and determine if it's a function or a non-function. So just to review, function consists of unique non-repeating x value paired with y value. So the first table, again, you don't see any repeating x value. They're all unique. Then over here, there are repeating x values, so therefore it's a non-function. Now, there's another example we have to watch out for. So I'm going to write out my x values. So -3, 1, 4, 6. And my y values, say we have -1, 0, let's say 5, and -1. So in this example, we notice that there's actually repeating y values. So even though it's repeating y values, this can still be considered a function because my definition here, function consists of unique non-repeating x value paired with y values. So if you take a look at the x values here, they're all unique, none of them repeats, so it's okay for different x values and have multiple y values. As long as there are no repeating x value, then it would be considered a function, even though you have repeating y values. If there are repeating x values in a table, then it would be considered a non-function.